Hi guys, it's Frankie Tech, and I'm here looking at the Galaxy Z Flip. This is still not available for pre-order here, but as you can see, this is the new foldable from Samsung. Looks really nice, and as you can tell,
You're here for say in Hong Kong 20 for you.
okay, 20, okay. So as you guys know, I used the Fold for a couple months, and this is a new foldable. The display is 6.7, I think, inches, and you can see the interface there. But obviously, the key feature is the fold, and I think you can split the screen also, right? You can do.
You have a selfie.
Oh, there you go. So you can see what's up, guys, and that is cool. So it's like the viewfinder, and then you have the kind of buttons at the bottom.
And you have a small screen
For the selfie, right? Well, it looks very cool. And there it is. There I am. That is a very small screen, but you can see it's actually very, very good quality, and you can see yourself there taking a selfie as well.
you open.
That's pretty awesome.
And you can on.
Oh, I see. So you can actually. Okay, cool. That's very cool. And it's not a very heavy device. Feels pretty light. It's a 22:9 aspect ratio, and it's running the Snapdragon 855 Plus. I know that much. But what a cool phone here, and just a quick first look of this Galaxy Z Flip. And stay tuned for more great content coming soon. This is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.